Hello friends and welcome back to my new video. Today we will be making something nice, delicious and healthy. So I will be calling it as date bites. So let's get started with the making of date bites. So let's see the ingredients required for making. So here I have dates which are 500 grams. Here I have 7 seeds which are all mixed, and here I have some dry fruits which I have already chopped small pieces. And here I have some dried rose petals. Rose petals are optional if you want to mix to them. Chia seeds and poppy seeds. I have also taken some chocolate cocoa powder. Now these dates I have de-seeded them beforehand, and now these dates goes in the mixer for grinding. Here I have cardamom powder, some pure ghee, so let's start the procedure. Here I have taken a pan and I have put 1 teaspoon of ghee in the pan. All the dry fruits, chia seeds, 7 seeds, rose petals, rose petals we'll put later on. First let us all nicely mix all these ingredients and let them get roasted nicely in the ghee. After 5 minutes, add the poppy seeds. The rose petals, and mix them all well. Roast them for some time more. On a low flame. These ingredients get roasted nicely. Now at this point you have to add the cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is optional. If you want to skip it, then skip it. You can also add coffee powder in it. Coffee gives a nice aroma to the date bites. Add the dates which we have already mixer grinded. Mix it nicely with all the other ingredients. Once it is all mixed, add this cardamom powder in the well. Now switch off the heat once it is ready. Put the pan down, let it cool down for some time and make doughs of it. Take a foil paper. Take one dough. Put it in the foil paper and just roll the foil paper in this manner to make a long roll out of it. Just go on rolling the foil paper and just keep on little pressing so it will form a long roll. It will look like this. You can also first make a roll in the pan and then place it on the foil paper. Something like this. So it becomes very easy for us to mold it. Once your date rolls are in the foil paper, the whole thing goes in the deep fridge. You have to keep it in the deep fridge. And whenever you need, just remove them out and just cut them into pieces and serve them. So this is how it looks after you remove it from the deep fridge. Cut them into pieces, but don't forget to remove the foil paper before you eat them. I had also made some date rolls beforehand. These are the date rolls which I had made. These are date and cranberry rolls. I have also put cranberries in them along with dates. So you can also mix cranberries along with them. It's a very simple and delicious and super healthy recipe. Do try it at home and let me know in the comment section how it is. So I will see you all in the next video. Till then, bye everyone. Take care. Do subscribe, like and share my videos with your friends and family members. Bye.